Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, The Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. So today I am just popping on real quick to share with you guys what is on my desk. And well, what you're looking at right now is really just some few little supplies that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, because I'll be honest with you guys, while I've been working on projects and creating some Christmas gifts, I have not done any type of Christmas journals or crafts, if you will. So, and when I say Christmas gifts, it meaning it's not holiday themed. It's an actual gift. So maybe it is a journal, but it's not Christmas themed. I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday, and I went and picked up these papers, and because while I have a Christmas pad from I think last year or year before, something like that, I really don't have any new papers, and so I figured I would pick up some that I liked, just a few sheets, and let me see. So while I was there, I actually saw some brads that I could use on some journals, and I picked these up. But then I remembered to myself, I realized that I saw these in Pleasant Creation Shop, and I probably should have just ordered them from her anyways. But these I want to be able to use on some journals. So anyway, so I picked up, well, this is some Dollar Tree gift wrap paper, or some tissue paper. And so these are a few of the sheets that I picked up, just so that I could have something that's coordinating and something that I haven't actually worked with thus far. So these are the sheets, and they're just one-sided. It's not really cardstock, it's just paper. I really like this one because it has something like a vintage feel to it, vintage fonts, and a little, it's a little bit muted in tones. Not muted, but, like an age tone. So that's a 12 by 12. And then these little ornaments, this is a 8.5 by 11. And I didn't remember picking this up, but I might have done so. Yep, no, I remember. I like these two together, so grab those. And then I liked this here one with the gifts, because I could fussy cut those out and use as little embellishments. God bless you. That's Josh trying to do his classwork quietly before he starts his test. So this is the other one. And then I also picked up a couple of sheets of vinyl, because Paper Studio was having a 50% off sale. Now also on my desk, well, this is a treat bag that I prototype, if you will, something that I saw on YouTube somewhere, and I figured I probably could drop some Ghirardelli candies in them, chocolates in them, tie with a nice little bow using probably white paper, but add a little sheet of some of the paper that I picked up on the front, and give that out to our Sunday school staff, or should I say volunteers, along with the gift cards that I've purchased for them. And then here, I just pulled this out of our hallway closet. Now, our Christmas, the reason why this box filled with my Christmas craft stuff is in the hallway closet is because I had planned on, I had planned on doing some Christmas craft throughout the year. Did I do that? No. Here's my sewing machine. Here's Mary Lou. And here's a little view of my desk, guys. This is my workspace. There's Josh over there. There's his little classroom. And here I am over here. So getting back to this box. This box I got for Christmas with some goods in it from my best friend a couple years ago. And so I turned it into the stash box for the Christmas supplies. And I've never really, so I've been doing this for a couple years, and when I go back to the box, I never really remember what I put in it, but because sometimes I add stuff throughout the year. There's a card that I received from, what's her name? She's on YouTube. Can't remember, but I think I'm going to add that to my journal for this month. Don't hold me to that. And then there's probably, some Christmas crafts that I've made. This is like a matchbox for the Ghirardellis. I gave these out last year. And so there's quite a few things that I just stuff in here before I put it away. Let's see what's in here. Some tissue. There's some more tissue. This probably should have went on my Christmas tree, but I probably bought it after I put the Christmas stuff upstairs. Not sure why that felt's in there. This came in a gift basket that I received. Here's some Christmas tags. So glad that I saw that because I'll be using those this year. I made those last year or the year before. I can't remember which one. And then in here are more embellishments and confetti and things of that nature. Are you done, Josh? Mm-hmm. Okay. If you're done, then you can go over to your ELA tab or go over to your dashboard. What, did you get a 70 or higher? Sorry, guys. Okay, great. Go over to your dashboard. Click on Daily ELA and go through the prompts for that. This is what happens when I turn on this camera in an attempt to keep things moving on the channel. So here's an ornament that I need to add that to the Christmas tree. Actually, there's probably a couple of them that I need to add. Oh, I think I put that in my kitchen. And so there's quite a few things in here that I probably could create with. And you'll see me in some upcoming videos just using that. I have not done much. So there's some, I think it's called raffia. Some ornaments to make some cards with. I put on some cards. Great, I'm so glad that I found those. And these. Let's see. Yeah, see my planner? Always loaded with stuff. Don't try to read it. There's not much on there. Now you think I would have, I wanted to do a DIY with these. I got them a couple of years ago. So I probably will upcycle something from the Dollar Tree, you know, some type of wall art, and add hot glue them on and put these in our family room. Aren't they cute? Cute little deer. Some snowflakes. I'm not going to go all throughout the box. And a lot of times at the end of the year, I'll get, or at the end of the season, you know, once Christmas passes, I will, Josh, thank you. I will scour the clearance racks and pick up new stuff to add to the box. And that's another reason why I keep it in the hallway, because I want to be able to have access to it and put things away as I purchase them. Now let's see if these were chapstick holders that I made last year. And I probably will add some to these this year and give them away to my son's friends in their gift bags. These are left over from ones that I made for our staff. I might even give them away to my husband's clients for ornaments. No, actually, I think that's who I made it for last year. I don't know. I'll figure it out. And then here's some more items in here. So I'm just bringing you guys along as I explore this box and see what all I have to craft with. I don't put, well, yeah, I can add these to cards. I'm sure I can. Just cut them up and add them to it. So anyways, guys, so that's what's on my desk. And this box obviously is not going to stay on my desk. It'll probably go under it so that, you know, in this blank space down here where I keep sewing supplies and embroidery and stuff that I don't use every day. Right here, guys, is the jewelry making supplies. This is stuff that needs to be put away in craft and projects that I'm working on. And then right here is the same, and some albums, family albums that I add layouts to, which I probably should do a Christmas layout for this month. I've got to download some pictures and print them out in any event. And then there's my caddy that I work out of. So I'm just giving you guys a little glimpse of what my desk looks like right now in this holiday Christmas crafting period. Just so you know, if your desk and your space is crowded and crazy looking, you are not the only one. You are in good company, being that I consider myself good company. So anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you too can receive notifications, once you hit that bell, of course, of all of the crafty and lovely uploads here on the channel. Until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative and crafty. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.